So as usual, guys, hello, I mean to all of you, and in this video, we are going to talk about fear. You all must have heard the statement, the quote, the words of Will Smith that fear is not real. I mean, still, we all of us have fear. We all afraid from something which is physical, something which is which is just a feeling. We have fear regarding future, regarding our career, regarding our aspirations. We fear from people. We fear from challenges. We fear from ourselves. Literally, everybody have fear of something or another. In spite of the fact that fear is not real. So, what is fear and how do we conquer it? See, what I believe, the fear remains to the point where you start action, where begin your action to conquer that fear. Like, in simple words, it can be explained that if you have fear regarding anything, you have the fear of chemistry, or you have the fear of water, right? So how would you conquer that? That can only be conquered, that can only be won when you go to the water, when you enter into the water, when you try to swim. It will be, the fear will remain there until you enter the pool. It will not leave, it will not wipe out. In Even if you have plan, or if you have uh, think, if you uh, plan to conquer your fear, it will only be ruined, it will only be destroyed once you start your actions, right? We all have fear. Instead of other people, most people have fear, or they afraid from themselves. They are weaker version. They're afraid because they don't have control over them. They're afraid because they just listen to their mind. They're afraid that they are not growing, they are not becoming stronger. And these fear, they afraid from this fear, but they don't do anything to conquer this fear. They just let it be. Most of the people afraid regarding concerning their career, but they do not do what is required for their career, or for their better condition, to make their better, to make the condition better, right? If you are a student, you must have fear about your examination, about your good performance in the examination, right? You have fear about it, but practice you don't practice regularly. You don't write, you don't learn, you don't read, you don't understand, but still you have fear. That fear is nothing. Fear is good, and I mean, fear is good. Fear remains good. Uh, I mean, if it is getting you push, if it is pushing you to be in the action mode, if you have fear of examination and you are keep, this fear is pushing you to study, that is a kind of positive fear. But if you have fear and still you are doing nothing, there is no need to be afraid of something, brother. You're just making it worse. The fear which is not beneficial to you is the fear who is just which should not be there. That is of no use, right? So first of all, if you want to do anything, first of all you have to conquer your fear. It's not about what you are doing, it's not about what is your condition. You just test, you just have to defeat your fear. You have to defeat the fear that you are afraid from yourself. You're the only person in this world who is working to make your condition better, who aspires to be a better person, who aspires to be a stronger person. You are the only one in this world who is thinking about this. And still you are afraid of yourself. Why? Because most of us do what we want to, but we are supposed to do what is the requirement of achieving something, right? There are two types of conditions or two types of actions that we take. First, we take just for enjoyment. We take action just for enjoyment. Second, those actions are required. We can enjoy that too. We can enjoy that actions too, right? Suppose uh, I'm let's take an example. Suppose I'm required, or I'm supposed to appear for my examination next week. So what I am supposed to do? Study, understand it, right? So I would do that, or I would just procrastinate, and I would just procrastinate that and will do what I want to. I want to watch videos, I want to scroll the shorts, I want to watch movies, I want to eat good, I want to eat sweets. If I'm supposed to be healthy, physically strong, I would have to run. I would have to run regularly. There's no option beside this. No one make me happy. No one make me stronger. Only there is me who can work for it, who can do anything to achieve my fitness. Right? And there is nobody who can make me fit, who can make me stronger other than me. So I have to take command, I have to be in the action. But at the same time, every day when I supposed to get up and go to the field to run, every day I every day I think that just leave it today. But I don't leave. I enjoy going there. I enjoy running. I enjoy my exercise. And I love it. So, here's one point I want to highlight, that anything that you have fear about, anything that you don't want to do, just start doing that. Even if you don't want to do, initially just start doing that, and eventually you would feel that yes, the things, the actions that you were afraid to, you are actually enjoying that. If you don't want to study, start, open the book and just read out, and you would find that yes, it is interesting. It is interesting than to just scroll the videos on YouTube and internet. All I want to say is that kill the fear inside yourself. Anything that you want to do, first of all, kill the fear. Kill that fucking fear. Because that is the first step. That is the first step to become anything, to be stronger, to be anything else. If you have if you have fear of something, it is making you, it is pulling you back. It is preventing you to move further. Kill your fear. Be your king. Yes, you are the king. You are the king of your body. See, in this world, there is no king exist. For nature, there is no king. The king is the king because we believe that, or we have created a system like that. In nature, there is no king. Everybody come, everybody goes. Everyone will die one day. Everyone is getting old. And one day, so for nature, there is no king. You're the king of your body. And you are actually own your body. This body is provided to you by the nature. You can use it any way that you want to. Right? And the nature gives you the permission. For a particular period of time, you own this body. I mean, what you do with this body is totally your concern. Right? If you want to make it fit, it is in your hand. If you want to make it weak, it is in your hand. Well, nobody want to be weak. Everybody want to be stronger. But what prevented them? What restricted them to be stronger? Temptations. Temptation. Temptation to eat tasty food. Temptation to do what you enjoy. Temptation to watch movies and all that. Temptation to do nothing. Temptation to lay on the bed and just sleep. Right? And people, their inside version, if you are watching the reels, then you must understand you are not enjoying that. It has become your habit, and that's why it is being okay to watch those. I mean, scroll the videos and watch movies. Otherwise, you're not enjoying that. अंदर से आप वो खुशी आपको मिल ही नहीं सकती, राइट? अंदर अंदर से वो खुशी आपको मिल ही नहीं सकती जो खुशी आपको तब मिलेगी जब आप अपने आप को ग्रो कर रहे हो, राइट? जब मैं रनिंग करता हूँ, आई फील लाइक, आई फील गुड, आई फील ग्रेट। अब थोड़ा सा जब बोरिंग भी होता है, देन इवन देन ऑल्सो आई फील ग्रेट, आई लव टू मूव फर्दर। रुकने का मन करता है लेकिन पैर रुकते ही नहीं। मुझे पता होता है कि आई वुड नॉट स्टॉप, चाहे कुछ हो जाए, राइट? एंड दैट इज द थिंग आई एंजॉय। वो मेरा अंदर बाहर सब जगह, मेरी आई मीन सोल भी एंजॉय करती है, राइट? तो एनीथिंग दैट यू आर एंजॉइंग बट इनसाइड, if if you are perceiving that you are enjoying that, if I mean, trust me guys, stop for 1 minute, ask yourself, are you really enjoying that, or you just betraying your own self? So think about it, but I would also say kill your fear anyway. So this is for today. Goodbye, thank you, bye.